Welcome to Whisper House. Let's embark on a journey of calm and clarity. Find a quiet place, settle in, and let's begin.
Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. As you settle in, bring your awareness to this moment. Let go of any tension and set an intention for this meditation. It could be peace, gratitude, or simply being present. Begin to notice your body. Start at the top of your head. Feel the gentle release of tension as you move your awareness down to your shoulders, your arms, your chest. With each breath, let go of any tightness. Continue this scan all the way to your toes. Now, focus on your breath. Breathe in deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for 4, and exhale gently through your mouth for a count of 6. Let the rhythm of your breath anchor you in the present moment. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place. It could be a forest, a beach, or somewhere that brings you joy. Feel the textures, hear the sounds, and let yourself be fully immersed in this sanctuary of calm. Take a moment to reflect on something you are grateful for. It could be a person, a moment, or even this time you've taken for yourself. Let that gratitude fill your heart and bring a gentle smile to your face. Let's fuel your body with a healthy smoothie that's as delicious as it is nourishing. Combine a handful of fresh spinach, a ripe banana, a cup of mixed berries, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and your choice of oil. Today, let's explore the benefits of aromatherapy. Using essential oils like lavender can promote relaxation and better sleep, while eucalyptus may help clear your mind and support respiratory health. Peppermint oil can invigorate and boost focus. Incorporating aromatherapy into your daily routine can enhance your mood and overall well-being. Thank you for meditating with Whisper House. Take this sense of calm with you into your day. Don't forget to subscribe for more moments of mindfulness and healthy living. Until next time, stay well.